Hi everybody, my name is Thuy Phan. Today I will introducing to you biotechnology and its applications. So first, appreciate for all of you who coming here today and listen to my speech. Here my audience.
Hi, I'm Alexa.
I'm Kaylin.
Yes, and as many people know about biotechnology, but it's really popular now. And the history of biotechnologies is traditional biotechnology has been used for thousands of years ago to make a food and make like a health care products. But until the 1919, Karol Alkis, a Hungary's engineer, introducing it to the world. So what is a biotechnology? It is the use of microorganisms and their products to make human products or solve a problem. So the term GMO is very popular now. Some of you may know about that, but so what is the GMO? GMO is the represent for genetically modifying organisms. So it's a use the chemical and technology to change the gene of the organisms. So I will introduce to you some of the application of biotechnology. First, it can be used for agriculture and food. Second, it can be used in medicine and pharmaceuticals. And the third one, it can be used in industrial processing, like in the criminal or something like that. And finally, it can be used for the environment, to clean up the environment. In the agriculture applications, people use this pest-resistant plant, or it can be used for the high protein and the vitamin. One of the products is the golden rice. And what is the golden rice? It's the rice with high vitamin A. So how people use biotechnology in the to make this product? They extract the gene. They extract the gene from the carrots or corn and insert it into the rice genome to make it producing gene called beta carotene. And some of the products is very popular now, and it is used biotechnology. It's the canola oil, you may hear about that, and 90% of the canola in the United States use the biotechnology or gene modified. And the second one is a corn with 88%. And then the cotton is 90%, and soy is 94%, and sugar beets is 95%. The second application of biotechnology is in medical. Many of you may know about the pregnancy test. It is a quick test at home for pregnancy women. It's the amount. It determines the amount of human HCG. So it can show the pink color on the line, so people will know if you're pregnant or not. The second one is the insulin. It is the combines the gene produce insulin of human and bacteria. Scientists harvest the insulin from the bacteria and purify the substance for use as the medicine for humans. And the third one I want to talk about is the TPA. So what is a TPA? It is the blood gas dissolve the enzyme used immediately after a heart attack. If someone have the heart attack, they can use the TPA right after that to prevent the attack. And third one, I want to tell you about the transplant organs. So we can use the animal organs to transplant into the human. And they study about the human organs now. So I hope in the future people can use the human organs to transplant to people who have problem with disease. And it was first used in 1987 to convict a rabbit in England. Other applications of DNA fingerprinting include identify human remains or paternity tests. And this is the another application of biotechnology is in environments. It's use the bacteria to clean up environmental pollution. And in 1989, people used a bacteria named Pseudomonas to clean up the spill, and it was 3 times faster. It was 3 times faster without effect to the environment. And finally, I will bring to you some future products of biotechnology. And the first one is asthma sensor. The company like AT&T make a new sensor to protect people from asthma. Then like this sensor can determine the amount of pollution, and then it can warn the people to take the medication before they have the asthma attack. And the other ones people investigate in the future now in the gene therapy. The scientists try to identify all the human genomes. So they hope they can use the gene for treatment, such as reply all the missing or defective gene, or they make a vaccination, or they can supply gene that cause cancer cell to revert back to the normal cell. And the other one is the cancer test. It's not popular right now, and people still investigate in that. You can find if people have the breast cancer or ovarian cancer. And then the last one I want to bring to you is a solar cell dress. It's interesting because like people use the cell phone or the tablets a lot nowadays, but sometimes you forget the charge at home and you don't know how to charge your cell phone. And this one is use the solar cell in fabrics. Have to store energy from the sunlight, so you can charge your cell phone or light up at night time. Okay, so this is all my speech. So thank you for all of you. And if you have any question or concern, just let me know.